Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. Welcome to my channel today. Today I want to do a short video, a tutorial on Thrive Themes and becoming an affiliate for Thrive Themes and how you find and construct your affiliate links inside the Thrive Themes Affiliate Marketing Center. And basically, I had never been an affiliate for Thrive till recently, and I struggled a bit. A lot of directions. I looked for directions. There were none that I could find, at least. So I thought I'd make a short video to show you, if you're like me, you're just growing your business and you wanted to include becoming an affiliate of Thrive Themes. This will be a short tutorial to show you how to build your affiliate links and how to safely do it as well. Very easy. Hang on, let's move on into the dashboard. So in today's tutorial, I wanted to do a short tutorial video to help you find how to become an affiliate for Thrive Themes and then how to build your affiliate links once you've become an approved affiliate for Thrive Themes. So what we're going to do is, this is Thrive Themes, what it looks like. What you're going to do is go to the bottom of the page down here, and it says affiliates. If you click on that, what you're going to get is a sales page that tells you how to become an affiliate for everything about it for Thrive Themes. So just simply follow these directions here. Start the application process. It was really easy. Once it was sent to Thrive, I got back my approval, I think, a little over 3 days later. So it's about 72 hours it took to become an affiliate for Thrive Themes. So then what we did was, you get an account like this once you filled out your tax information. So you get an account like this. Now what you're going to do is, you want to support and promote some affiliate pages from Thrive. Maybe you want to support any of these products here that are available, and you have a favorite or something that you've used. Maybe you use Thrive Optimize. Well, what you can do is go back to your dashboard here, and basically I'm going to show you how you get to this. What you're looking for is this automated link creation area. Now what I'm going to do is show you how you get there. So once you become an affiliate for Thrive Themes, you're going to sign into your Thrive Themes account, and you're going to have two areas here: affiliate home, which is right here, and there's a list of frequently asked questions here, which will come in handy in a second. Then you got your manage the account. Okay, manage the account we'll get to in a minute. Now, frequently asked questions, what you want to do is, you need to know how you're promoting products, what's allowed, what's not allowed, and how you get paid and all that stuff. So very important to read through this here. What I was doing, I was looking to find out if they had any tutorials on how to create links. So as I scroll down through here, okay, down to right here, 14. Do you have a tutorial page anywhere? And it said yes, click on that. So I came up with this page here. This is the Thrive Affiliate Program tutorial. There's a tutorial video here. It's a couple minutes long that showed you how to set up your own affiliate link, a custom affiliate link for your promoting the products that you want to promote. Now, what's very important also is there's a list here that tells you where to go to, how to go to, how to do it. So this is what you'll be looking for right here. Now, I'll put a link for this page down below in the description. You're going to go to the manage your account. What you're going to look over here is custom linking tracks. You're going to go to alternate incoming links. And right here is where you create your links. And what you're going to do is get the link from, say, if I want to promote Thrive membership, we're going to go to that page. And up here in the URL, I'm just going to copy what that is. And then I'm going to go back to my link page builder here. I'm going to put that link in for that page. It's a membership pricing. I'm going to say create a link. And what's going to happen here is the link will be this link here. The last one builds on the bottom. Then what you're going to do, what I would recommend doing is taking this link here, and I would recommend you use a site like, or a plugin like Pretty Links. I'll put a link for that, how you can get the plugin for that for free to put on your site. Then you go onto your site, and what you want to do is create a new link. And then title it Thrive Membership. And then right here, I'm going to put in my URL. If I want a special tag, so I'm going to do Joe High Road number 12. And I'm just going to update, and that'll create the link here. Okay, here's the Thrive membership. And if I just copy and paste this here, this will be the link that I'll send my customers to. So once I've built the link here, I'm going to copy this link. Okay, now this is copied. And I'm going to go to my incognito private browser opening here. Now the page that we're looking at is this one, the Thrive membership. Now I'm going to paste this in to my browser here. I'm going to show you how this has got my affiliate link in it now. And it's going to pop up here. This is in a private browser now, so I'm not getting followed and cookied. But that's the same page as this page. I just switched. Here's another one. Here's one. Here's the second one. Same page. So I just wanted to show you that. Just wanted to give you that tutorial. Help you see how easy it is to create your own links using, and once you know where to go in here and how to find and build the link. And I just wanted to do that because I know as I've grown and become more experienced as an affiliate marketer, how frustrating it's been at times when I can't find information on how to do things. I'll spend an hour, 2 hours figuring something out on my own because no one had any particular video about this subject. So I figured I'd do this to help my customers today. Create a video to teach you how to do an affiliate link, build your own affiliate links for Thrive themes using Pretty Links plugin. So if you got some value from this video today, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a first-time visitor, and then hit the bell notification so you get notified every time that we publish a new video to our channel. And don't forget that if you're like me, you're struggling with your internet marketing, that it's time to get some good direction. I've got a link down in the description for free training that's step-by-step laid out, that's easy to follow, that can help you build a business of your own today from home, online. And we're glad to help you out with that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching today. So long.